Imagine standing on a volcano, and suddenly the entire mountain collapses right under your feet. On June 2nd, 2025, Europe's most active giant, Mount Etna, unleashed pure chaos. A violent explosion caused the northern flank of the southeast crater to completely cave in. This triggered a terrifying pyroclastic flow, a deadly avalanche of boiling gas, ash, and rock screaming down the slopes at hundreds of miles per hour, blasting a massive smoke plume over 20,000 feet into the Sicilian sky. Panicked tourists fled for their lives as rivers of glowing lava emerged. So, what was the damage? The summit areas were scorched and completely altered. Ash rained down on local towns, disrupting roads and forcing aviation red alerts. Yet, miraculously, because local guides and authorities blocked the danger zones in time, there were zero casualties. Etna proved once again why she rules Sicily. Nature calls the shots, and we are just witnesses.